Welcome to the Cooking Journal, man. It's gonna be a quick update, really video. Not really even showing it. I got a good video coming out, but what I can tell y'all that today, now we're gonna record a video today, 27th. But I got a schedule now. A schedule. That means I'm gonna have a video bi-weekly every 2 weeks. Now the first video is coming out on the 31st this Friday. And it's gonna premiere at 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time. And that's when the video will come out, and the next one will be on the 14th, 6 o'clock on a Friday, Central Time. So there won't be no guessing. That way y'all know I'm coming out. I'm trying to give everybody time to get off work and so they can watch the videos and stuff like that there. So be bi-weekly right now. And hopefully, you know, so every time I'll probably go weekly, but right now it's gonna be bi-weekly. Now, I know how stuff, McDonald's, man, $18 for a Big Mac and $20 for that. Man, I'm gonna show you a cheap bread. This ain't even a video. Come here, let me show you what I'm gonna do right now. God damn. Now, I got me a little butter in this pan right here. Go ahead and get you a flour toast. These are cheap, okay? I got me some ham right here. We're gonna keep the ham on the side. Got some cheese, a couple of eggs, and we're gonna go ahead and toast this here. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a real cheap breakfast. It's gonna be like a melt, you know, whatever. And this is what we're gonna do. There's something real cheap, but I really can't tell y'all I'm bi-weekly now. So now I got a schedule, so y'all are like, oh, he gonna come out next week or next month or 2 months from now? Every 2 weeks. Cooking Journal. Ask somebody. Alrighty, there you go. And like I said, you just want to go ahead. I flipped it on both sides, got butter on both sides, but now I'm just gonna brown on this side here, on one side. You don't want to brown the other side right away. Okay, this side you're gonna put the food on, so you want to brown both sides. So you get the other one, because you don't have to, like a sandwich. Brown that side. Don't worry about browning the other side right now. You just want to brown that side because you want to toast it. And come back, I'll show you what to do. Alrighty, welcome back. You got your tortillas brown on one side. Don't worry about the other side. But you got butter on both sides, remember that. Now you want to put the ham in there. Go ahead and brown that. Both sides. Man, this food is too hot, man. Hey, we try to do what we can to get by. Hey, if it hurt me, I know it's hurting y'all too, you know what I'm saying? Because we just live day to day, you know what I'm saying? But we going to get through this here. Hey, you love the Cooking Journal, I'm going to show you the cheap way to go. Hey, I'm going to survive. Because you know me, I can eat anything and I can cook anything. Ask somebody. Alrighty, back to the Cooking Journal. Put some salt and pepper on there. Hey, want to get your egg right? You know, so you can have you like you want it. Some people like it running. Some people, you know what I'm saying, you want it like that there. But I'm going to keep mine kind of whole like that there. I'm going to flip mine over. You know what I'm saying? I know I put a little extra black pepper on mine. No, I didn't. That shit fell out like, man, damn. Hey, but anyway, I'm going to eat it. Hey, ask somebody. I ain't wasting nothing. All right, there we go. Welcome back to the General. Now, see, I got my cheese on that side. That side toasted. The side I ain't toasted, you want to go ahead and put it down. All right? Now, there, add your egg on it. This chopped ham. You know, you can use pressed ham, boiled ham, whatever you like. Now, the other side, you put the cheese down on the toasted side. Put that on top. Now we're gonna brown this side, and then when that side get brown, we're gonna flip it, and bam, there you go. Come back, I'll show you how it look. Oh, there we go, right there. Now, this here video ain't supposed to be done, but I had to give y'all an update because I wanted people to watch this channel. I know I got subscribers, and y'all just know it's a study schedule. So I decided to go ahead and commit myself to bi-weekly videos. Now, this one gonna come out, like I told you, it's coming out. This coming up Friday. Today's 27th. It's coming out on the 31st at 6 o'clock Central Time. At 6 o'clock p.m. Central. And it will be out. And then the next one will be out of the 14th, 6 o'clock on a Friday. And that will be Central Time. And that will be my Juneteenth video. And so from here on out, we're going to be doing videos bi-weekly. And they're going to come out every Friday at the same time. I'm going to have everything set up so y'all will know. And, let me see this sandwich here. This is just a quick meal because, man, stuff got, man, y'all know how hot stuff got. See? You can, I can show you cheaper than this here. Keep watching Cooking Journal. Man, I appreciate all y'all. Ask somebody.